Imagine starting a YouTube channel from scratch and within just 5 months reaching over 500,000 subscribers and pulling in tens of thousands of dollars. Sounds unreal, right? But it happened, and in today's video I'm going to break down exactly how. What if I told you there's a way to grow this fast, without any big budget, without endless hours of work? I'll walk you through the exact strategies and methods we use to build a channel that's now generating steady passive income. This isn't some overnight success story. It's a proven process that you can start following today. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to go from zero to massive growth on YouTube. Let's dive in. 2. Background: the decision to start. Alright, let's rewind a bit. 5 months ago, the idea of starting a new YouTube channel came up during a quick conversation with a friend. We were both already managing successful businesses, but we wanted a fresh challenge, something different from the usual routes like dropshipping or running an agency. Those models work, sure, but they felt predictable. Then, we stumbled upon a creator with millions of subscribers, generating mind-blowing numbers each month. It was clear that YouTube had huge potential, but we needed an angle. Competing directly with established creators meant big budgets and intense production schedules. So, we asked ourselves, what's missing in this space that we could bring? That's when it clicked. The opportunity was to create content that was not only engaging but a little bit controversial, enough to spark reactions and stand out. This was the spark that set everything in motion. We didn't have endless time, so we built a plan that played to our strengths. Our goal? Launch a channel with a distinct edge and a growth strategy that would stand out in a crowded field. 3. Unique strategy development. With our direction set, it was time to develop a strategy that would actually make us stand out. The key? Finding what no one else was doing in our niche and amplifying it. We quickly realized that the typical approach, high-quality animations, consistent posting, sticking to safe topics, was already dominated by major players with huge budgets. Competing head-on with them wasn't realistic, so we asked ourselves, what could we do differently? That's when we decided to add a unique twist by introducing content that was a bit edgy, even a little controversial. Think about it. People react when they see something unexpected. They comment, they share, they keep watching to see what happens next, and that engagement was exactly what we needed to grow. But here's the thing. It wasn't about being controversial just for the sake of it. Each video was carefully designed to challenge ideas or share surprising facts while staying true to our core mission, delivering value and sparking curiosity. This approach we knew would keep viewers engaged and keep the content fresh. This strategy was the game changer that set us apart. 4. Building the perfect team. With the strategy in place, we knew that to pull this off at a high level, we couldn't go it alone. We needed a team of skilled creators who could bring our vision to life consistently and professionally. This wasn't just about finding any editor or animator. We needed people who could deliver high-quality animations quickly and adapt to our unique style. So we dug deep, searching in niche forums, freelance platforms, even reaching out to underground animation communities to find the right talent. After a ton of trials and countless hours interviewing, we finally built a solid team. Each member not only skilled in what they did, but also fully aligned with our creative vision. And trust me, this made all the difference. But assembling the team was just the start. To stay on schedule, we had to optimize the entire workflow. Each video needed to move from script to animation to final edit seamlessly, without losing quality or momentum. Building this team took time and a real investment, but once we had it in place, we could finally start producing content at the level we knew would stand out. And that's when things started to take off. 5. The first few videos: testing and learning. Once the team was in place, it was time to test the waters. Our first few videos were experimental, more about figuring out what worked and what didn't. We started with straightforward topics, creating content on subjects like how Bluetooth works and the basics of the internet. The goal was simple: see how our team handled the process from start to finish and evaluate the initial response. At first, the results were modest, just a few thousand views here and there. Nothing explosive, but that was expected. We used these early videos to observe and fine-tune our approach. The key lesson? Original content alone wasn't enough. We needed something with more bite, more intrigue. That's when we pivoted. 6. The breakthrough viral success formula. This is where things started to get exciting. After those initial tests, we'd refined our approach and were ready to launch a video with real viral potential. We chose a topic that had already shown strong engagement in the past and added our unique twist, focusing on high curiosity, a bit of controversy, and content people couldn't ignore. When we posted that video, it was like striking gold. In the first day, views started climbing faster than anything we'd seen, and by day 13, it went absolutely viral, hitting 1 million, then 3 million, then 10 million views. The video's success proved our theory. Combining high-interest topics with a unique, edgy angle and engaging visuals was a winning formula. And from there, we knew we'd crack the code. But the key takeaway: viral success wasn't luck. It was the result of a repeatable formula, picking the right topics, designing engaging hooks, and delivering value while keeping viewers intrigued. This wasn't a one-hit wonder. It was a tested approach we could now use again and again to grow fast and hit massive numbers. 7. Scaling the channel to maximize revenue. After that viral success, we knew we had a model that worked, so it was time to scale. We reinvested in better equipment, upgraded our editing software, and optimized our process to handle more videos without sacrificing quality. Posting frequency became key. We aimed to produce content consistently, enough to keep engagement high without overwhelming the team. But YouTube wasn't our only focus. We repurposed each video for other platforms like TikTok to reach wider audiences and generate additional revenue. These short-form platforms provided an extra income stream while bringing more visibility to our channel. And with views rolling in from multiple sources, we had more leverage to negotiate brand deals and sponsorships, adding even more revenue on top of ad earnings. In the end, this wasn't just about views, it was about building a reliable, diversified income stream. By scaling strategically and staying consistent, we turned the channel from an experiment into a real business, generating hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day, and giving us the foundation to grow further. 8. Monetization beyond YouTube. While our YouTube AdSense revenue was solid, we knew there were even bigger opportunities beyond YouTube itself. That's when we looked at brand partnerships. Brands are always looking to connect with highly engaged audiences, and with our numbers, we had exactly what they wanted. We reached out to companies that aligned with our content, offering promotional slots within our videos. Each deal added a new income stream, making each video even more valuable. And it didn't stop there. Platforms like TikTok also pay for views, so by repurposing our videos, we added another source of passive income. Between YouTube, TikTok, and brand sponsorships, this channel was now earning in multiple ways, turning each piece of content into a multi-channel revenue generator. Diversifying in this way not only increased our earnings, but also added stability, so no single platform was our only source of income. Closing: how to get started and key takeaways. If you're ready to dive into YouTube automation, here's a quick roadmap to get started. First, pick a niche that has strong viewer interest but isn't overcrowded. Then, focus on building a small, reliable team, like editors or scriptwriters, to streamline production. And finally, consistency is key. Post regularly, analyze what works, and adjust your content strategy as you go. Success here doesn't happen overnight, but with the right plan, a solid team, and dedication, you'll see results. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more insights on building your channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.